John. And at this point, let's do some chant before we proceed to the next. When I say Tandaya, you will say festival. Everybody, Tandaya! Now when I say festival, you will say Tandaya! Everybody, festival! Once again, Tandaya! Festival! Now when I say spark, you will say summer. Let's do it. Spark. When I say spark, when I say summer, you will say spark. Everybody, summer. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman dyan. When I say Pilipinas, you will say healthy. Everybody, Pilipinas. When I say healthy, you will say Pilipinas. Healthy! Alright, now let's do it all along. Tandaya! Spark! Healthy! Thank you very much. Palakpakan naman dyan. Alright, and now I think Miss Madeline and Shampatin has to say something more.
I would like to acknowledge the Zumba dancers from San Sebastian, Samar. So mamay kala, last year nakadigihapon ni Hira. So thank you very much, and also I would like to thank Sir Daphne and Sir Bons from the Y Pier Philippines for being our host for tonight's event. Thank you very much. Tikang mga kuninira, mga imported.
Thank you very much, Miss Madeline Shampatin, for acknowledging all of our participants who are very energetic as I observed them just earlier today. And up until now, they are still energetic. Diba? Energetic pa ba tayo lahat? Say yes if you are energetic. Are you energetic? Thank you very much. And now, sa ating mga Zumba enthusiasts, let's introduce the energetic and talented individuals who will be leading us through the Zumba extravaganza, our Z instructors. Ayan, hopefully bigyan po natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan as I'm going to introduce themselves one by one. Ladies and gentlemen, starting with the Z instructor, Zin Jaboy! Palakpakan naman dyan! Now we have the Z instructor, Alden! Next, let's give a hand to Z instructor, Billy! Now we have the next Z instructor, Raymond of Hot Shots Crew! Next we have the synergetic duo, Zin Bonita and Zin Eddie! Lastly, we have the Zin instructor, Zin Gian!
Music breaking news.